Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting straight hair. Achieving sleek, straight hair that lasts all day begins with proper preparation. First, ensure your hair is completely clean and dry before you start. Next, generously apply a high-quality heat protectant spray from roots to ends. This crucial step shields your hair from damage. Finally, divide your hair into 4 to 6 manageable sections, securing each with a clip. This makes the straightening process much more efficient. Now, let's talk about the actual straightening technique. Choose a flat iron with ceramic or tourmaline plates, as these distribute heat more evenly. Take very small sections, about 1 inch wide, and pass the flat iron through them slowly and steadily. 1 to 2 passes per section is usually sufficient to achieve a smooth finish. Avoid going over the same section multiple times, as this can cause unnecessary heat damage and reduce longevity. Once your hair is perfectly straight, the next step is to set the style for maximum longevity. It's vital to let your hair cool down completely after straightening. This helps to lock in the straightness. After cooling, apply a lightweight finishing serum or a flexible hold hairspray. Use just a small amount, perhaps a dime-sized drop of serum or 2 to 3 spritzes of spray. Remember, excessive touching can introduce oils and frizz, so try to keep your hands away. To keep your straight hair looking flawless for longer, consider these maintenance tips. Humidity is the enemy of straight hair, so use an anti-frizz product or avoid humid environments. At night, sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and prevent kinks. If your roots start to get oily, a quick spray of dry shampoo can refresh your style. With these simple steps, your straight hair can last for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.